Hey, what's up everybody? It is Thursday, September 12th. It's about 4:15. I'm just taking a break from grading exams and entering notes for report cards. Came out to relax with my avocados and saw a bunch of new growth. So I'm gonna flip the camera around so y'all can see what's going on and kind of explain what I see. All right, so this one is the big one. It's still growing beast mode. We got some new growth here at the top. That is about, I'd say, ½ an inch, but as you can see, something threw a munch on one of the leaves. I'm a little upset about that, but check out the size of that leaf. I mean, I don't have the biggest hands in the world, but that's pretty big leaf. And then this one is growing. It's just kind of limping along. This is the one that has the double. You know, it's doing its thing. I think it's getting too much sun. That's why these edges are getting a little crispy right here. So we'll have to maybe move that to the other side. And this one, no, what happened? Well, this one was my favorite one, the one that always keeps trying to die and coming back. The roots weren't big enough to keep it up, so I had to put it back in the water. So it's inside the classroom. And then this one right here, this one's probably got the most growth out of all of them. Let's see if I can focus on that real quick. I don't know. But yeah, you can see that's a pretty good amount of growth. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sprouts coming off of that one. So that's pretty exciting. That one's a pretty good size too, if you look compared to the biggest one to that one. And this one, slowly but surely, it's creeping along too. It's got a little bit of growth coming at the top. Sprouted off this leaf right here too. So it's doing good. And this is the oldie. This is the viejo. It's not the biggest in the world, but it's just trucking right along. And you can see it's got some new sprouts at the top as well. And yeah, so it's doing its thing, moving along. So there you have it. All right, so that's what's up with the avocados. I would like to mention one thing. I did dice up about 3 or 4 banana peels and buried the remnants of them in each of these pots that has avocados. So it's kind of like an organic fertilizer. I was reading online and saw some YouTube videos. I also have a little bowl full of eggshells that I washed after using, and I'm going to crunch those up and put those in the soil as well. That's supposed to help. And especially with this soil, it's not the best soil. It's just some dirt I dug up from around here. It's not really planting soil. So, but you can see everything's chugging along. We got a little bit of growth on everything. We got some things we need to watch. Maybe too much sun, not enough water. So we'll just keep chugging along and keep making updates. And hopefully, maybe in 3 years, we'll have some avocados. So, this is Mr. Baker. Adios.